Take a whip it, intermission, let the birds fly. I get money, turn no vision through my third eye. Money, run that skillet, watch me flip it like it's Five Guys. Black and white pilgrim, check out the ceiling.
What up, guys? It's OG Spicky here, and today we're gonna do a video about this course I made. I'm gonna shoot at it with a BB gun, and I'm gonna see how much target of these targets I can hit in like 50 seconds. I'm gonna have a timer on my phone, and whenever the timer ends, that's how much I get. 3, 2, 1. Hit. Hit that. Hit the target. Hit that. Big target. Hit both those cans. Hit the water. Hit the milk jug. Big can. Hit the little cup. Oh, I'm out. I gotta hit that last target. Quick! Oh, where's my mag? Got it. Alright guys, also comment below if you want to see a Fortnite video, because I can get one of those out soon. And it's actually good quality, not me videoing with my iPhone. Figured out how to record my screen. Yeah, so it'll be good like that. And also, let's get a shout out for OG Ross, because his Fortnite videos are awesome. And that's how mine are going to be like, so he's the best. So, see you guys later.